Hi, good morning students. Hoping everyone doing well. In this video, we are going to learn about omission of the article. My dear students, in the previous videos, we learned about articles and kinds of articles and how to use a, and the. So we learned everything in the previous videos. So basically, articles are two types: definite article, indefinite article. So we learned about them, how to be used in our grammar. And now today we are going to learn about omission of the article. But we learned only in which kind of situations we use a and an and the. But in some particular situations we should not use any kind of these articles. That is we call omission of the article. Today that's I am going to explain you. I hope you can definitely understand it. So I have written everything on the board. Let me explain one by one. Okay? Omission of the articles. Omission of the articles. So in these situations, articles compulsory and definitely must and should, they will absent. So we don't need to write any kind of article in these situations. What are the situations? I have written on the board. One by one I am going to explain it. So please keep your concentration. First one, before names of substances and abstract nouns. So substances and abstract nouns, whenever we get these kind of words in a sentence, we should not use any kind of articles. Is that a definite or indefinite? Whatever, we should not use any kind of article. So in the sense of substances and abstract nouns, article is absent. So if you write any one of the article before this kind of words, that's going to be wrong. So please hope you understand this. And substances, what is substances? Is the materials. So what like sugar, salt, water, wood, what kind of? So these are we call substances. In these cases we should not use any article. So we should give only cross mark. So cross mark will denote no need article before this word, so that we can definitely understand it. And abstract noun, of course we know very well about this. Abstract noun is the fifth kind of noun. So nouns are five kinds: common noun, material noun, proper noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. So in before all abstract nouns we should not use any article. So here I have written examples. Let me explain you. Sugar. Sugar is a substance. It's a material. So we don't need to write any article before that. That's why I given just cross mark. Next, gold. Gold also substance. So no need to use any kind of article. That's why I have given cross mark. Next, wisdom. Wisdom means abstract noun. Abstract noun, already we have learnt about what is definition of abstract noun. So that's why I can hope you can definitely understand it. So wisdom, no need to use any kind of cross mark. That's why I have given cross mark. Honesty. Honesty also abstract noun. So I have given cross mark. So in these cases, etc. means so on. So in these cases we should not use any kind of article. So once again I would like to repeat this. Before names of substances and abstract nouns, we should not use any article. Whenever we get that kind of words in a sentence, we should not use any article. That is the first rule of omission of the article. And the second point, before plural countable nouns. Before plural countable nouns also we should not use any kind of articles. So here the example, children. Children means children is a countable, but that is a children. Child is a countable noun, but that is a singular number. But children, more than one child in that group. So that's why children is a countable. We can definitely count how many children are gathered in a group. Definitely there is no more problem about that to count. So that's why it is a plural countable noun. That's why we don't need to use any kind of article. That's why I have given cross mark. Next, computers. Definitely we can count them. So it is also plural. Computer is a singular, but computers. What is this? Computers. computers is a plural form. So that's why we don't need to use any article before that. That's why we can just give cross mark. So etc means so on. So all countable plural number before we should not use any article. It is first rule. Okay? Sorry, second rule. Next, third point. Before names of meals. So meals means breakfast, dinner, lunch, or any some other snacks. So in this cases also we should not use any article. So lunch, no article. Dinner, no article, etc. so on. So in these cases also, dear students, we should not use any kind of article. It is the third point about omission of the article. Next, fourth point. Before languages. So we have number of languages in the universe. So we are using number of languages. So before all languages, we should not use any kind of article. This is also one of the point what we need to remember. Okay, before languages, we should not use any article. So, for example, English. English is a language. That's why we don't need to use any article before this. That's why I have given cross mark. Telugu, Hindi, etc. So, whatever Malayalam, Gujarati, Konkani, Oriya, Bengali. So, any other languages. Before languages, we should not use any article. This is our main point. So, if you remember this, you can definitely do this. Okay. Next, fifth point. Before school, college, university, church, bed, hospital, prison. Prison means jail. Prison means jail. So, before all these words, we should not use any kind of article. So, whenever we get in our conversation or in our sentence, if we get a church in our sentence, we should not use the church, the prison, the school, the university. We should not use. But in some cases, we use before before this kind of words. But in which cases, if that is we are talking about a particular church, particular university, particular school, so there is we can definitely use the before that. So here we have a small note. The is used with these words. These words means school, college, university, church. These words we refer to them as a definite place. Definite place means particular place. So already I said you. So if we use these kind of words in a particular sense, we can definitely use the article. The is a definite article. So we can definitely use before these kind of words. If we are talking about them in a particular sense, definitely we use definite article the before that. So definite place, building or object rather than the normal activity that goes on there. So if we talk about them in a normal sense, we don't need to use write any kind of article. But school, university, college, building and also any kind of other places, present, whatever may be. So if we are talking about them in a particular sense, definitely we can use definite article the before them. But if we are talking about them in a normal way, in a normal sense, no need to write any article before them. So I hope you can definitely find out the variation between the two senses. Okay? Good my dear students. Next. See, here I have written example. The school is very near my home. So basically we are talking about a school which is near to our home. So definitely we are talking in that sense about particular school. But if generally if I say a school, so which school we cannot guess. The school word belongs to all the schools which we have. So in the sense we don't need to use any kind of article. But here in the example, the school is very near my home. So we are talking about a particular school which is near to our home. So in that sense definitely we can use definite article the before them. Okay. Next, I met him at the church. Basically, if I say church, church belongs to all the churches. But I met him at the church. Basically, I met someone at a particular church. So in that sense, the church denoting with the particular identity. So that's when we can use before such a words the article. Okay, dear students, I'm hoping you can definitely understand it. Okay, thank you. Next, sixth rule. Before names of relations. So we have a wonderful relations. So without relation we won't be live. We would be nothing without relations. Yes or no? So mother, father, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, and so on. Number of relations we have. So before all relations we should not use any kind of article. Before all relations we should not use any article. Next, seventh rule. So already I said you. Father, mother, auntie, uncle, and also cook, nurse. Cook, nurse means cook is a profession, nurse also profession. How can we consider them as a relation, sir? You may raise a doubt to me. But cook means our own cook, the person who is working as a cook in our home. So that's why we can get some relation with him. So we can definitely warn him. That's why cook also one of the relation in the family. That's why we should not use any kind of article before that word. Nurse also. Nurse means here in the sense of particular nurse who treats our family, nurse. So that's why we have definitely some bonding and relation with her or with him. So that's why we can definitely remember we should not use any kind of article before that also. Okay. Next, before predication. Nouns denoting a unique position. Some positions like chairman. Here I have written he was elected chairman of the board. So actually number of people participated, but only one of them elected as a chairman of the board. So he is his position. That's why in that sense also chairman we should not use any kind of article. Mr. Raju became principal of the college. So principal of the college is a unique position. So we should not use in that sense also any kind of article before them. So dear students, I hope you can definitely understand all points what I explained you, and I am hoping you can definitely note down all these points in your notebook, and this is what I would like to teach you today. So already we have learned articles and definite indefinite articles, and how do we use them in our sentences or before words, and also we learned in some cases we should not use any articles. That's we learned in this video, and I'm hoping definitely you can enjoy it, and we'll meet again in our next video. Until then everyone, keep smiling and be happy. Okay, thank you for watching this video.